Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am Noob. This is Tech, sorta. So this isn't a new machine. This, in fact, is my pad of thought and prayer, the A565. But what this is a breath of new life into your computer, as you can see. It says right there. No, what this is called Winx, okay? And I'm sure, just based off the name, the color scheme, that thing, you can kind of grasp what the idea is here. So, I think it used to be called Ubuntu, maybe? I don't know. I was looking for Ubuntu, but oh yeah, it is. It's still called the Ubuntu, but this is Winx. So it's essentially, basically, as much of a copy as a Linux distro can be of Windows 11. It's designed for people with, you know, that are transitioning out of Windows 10 into Windows 11 without having to go into Windows 11. And it's built for PCs that Windows 11, or that you could say Microsoft, would consider at their end of the life, right? So we don't have the issue that we normally have when I do stuff like this. I have gone ahead already and have downloaded the ISO, so we won't have to fiddle, fart, and fuck around. I've also opened up the Etcher of Balls anus. We're gonna try and get this here file diddly down. A bunch of ISOs. I really need to get that Ventoy thing somebody told me about. I gotta stop fucking around with all these ISOs. I can just have everything I ever download on one big fucking flash drive. Probably multiple, because I'm not gonna spend. Okay, I gotta do the bullshit. Wait, something went wrong. Probably have to go like so, like I've done every time. Then I gotta fucking do this shit. Close this, take my flash drive out for some reason. Right click and run as administrator. I don't know why it's like this. I just know that it is. And if this doesn't work, I'll have to pull out that trusty scrapbook I have that I'm actually going to do a repair on here soon and make it less of a scrapbook. Come on. Yeah, there we go. All right, now we can take our stickeroo, plug it in, select a roo, that stickeroo. Hey, Marshmallow. She knows her name. Her baby's out there. Let's see if we can see him. Okay, while that does that, let's see if we can spot a little baby kitty. Where's your baby? Huh? If I can't spot him, I'll insert a little clipperoo, a little kitty-roo. Yeah? Where's your baby? He was just here. How'd you lose your baby? A horrible mother, but I love you. Oh, poor Dreamsicle. He's over there getting all butthurt. That. You're a dick. Go get your baby and bring her back. Baby's adorable. I got it to eat a lickable, sorta. What? Oh yeah, don't do that. No, go away. Go away. Yeah, see, it's still going. Man, I should fucking plug this thing into the Ethernet. One thing is, this is taking a lot longer because this is also literally twice as big as the biggest ISO I think I've done so far. Yeah, 6.3 gigabytes. So, yeah, much bigger than I'm used to. That's what she said. That's what she said. What are you doing in there? Are you getting naked? All right, we can un-Ethernet, we can unplug, we can, let's just go ahead and shut her down, son. We can shut this guy down. Retire the pad of thought and prayer. Pull forward the HP of ancient times and crack addiction. And this trackpad not working too good. So mouse it up, tangled it up. We're gonna plug our boot device in yonder. And we're gonna fire this bitch up, and then we're gonna repeatedly press F9. Yeah. No. USB hard drive, USB disk. Something has gone seriously wrong. Security. Huh? Shim is a security policy violation. Something has gone seriously wrong. Oh, I gotta go and disable secure boot in this BIOS. Alright, security, system can boot options, secure boot, no, fuck you, shut up, thank you, okay, save and exit, yeah. F9, 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 F9. 1430. Okay, 1430, enter. Hey, all right. Ba 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 ba. Still loading. This might take a while. This isn't the greatest of devices here. This thing is almost 12 years old now. I did upgrade it to an SSD. I think it's got 4 gigs of RAM. I've got a cursor. That's nice. There's a good chance it might be better to do this, the safe mode version of this. It also could be that this is just taking longer because it's the initial boot of this. But we will see. All right. We're in. Wait, what the hell? Okay. Microsoft Edge. What the fuck? I didn't want to see that. I was hoping it would still be fucking Firefox or something. Let's connect to some Wi-Fi. Yeah, we've got Wi-Fi. I guess let's go here. Wait, we're Software Center. So a complaint I've seen about this was that for being designed as like a conversion distro, right? Like is a distro that's designed to easily onboard people from the Windows ecosystem into the Linux ecosystem. It was hard for people to find stuff like their Software Center, where you download software and you know whatnot, other shit. Again, I'm still learning Linux myself, so I might have to restart this and do the safe mode version, because this thing is running like fucking trash. I mean, hell, it could be that Chinese fucking whatchamacall SSD I have though too. So, but yeah, I might need to. This is a little much. I can't reason with running something that was slower than the original operating system that this thing came with, because Windows 10 wasn't great on here. Definitely a lot better than this. Oh, weather report? I don't want the fucking weather report. Run. Oh, okay, that's terminal. That should be a start menu of sorts. The fuck is that Copilot button there for? Kate. I need to see what I have in here. Yeah, I won't even like load the browser. I can't imagine what having to like download an update would be like. This might have to be something we do on a system with more storage, more RAM on it. I mean, I can't even get this thing to respond. Yeah, we're gonna but call it. We're gonna try this shit again, but in safe mode. I should have known when it took 6 months to start like booting. All right, Windows theme over Linux, safe graphics. And I have to imagine, so another thing about Linux is it's very refined looking from the outside looking in, probably designed for better hardware than this. And this is just the free version, the free LTS version, long-term support version. There is a pro version that it's a one-time fee of like $35 to get the pro version of Linux. And if this is already running this roughly on, you know, a system that's pretty old, I wouldn't say ancient, right? Like, I can't imagine the professional version is gonna run any more efficiently, as I'm pretty sure that the professional version would mean that there's probably more shit on it. This screen popped up a lot quicker this time, so we'll see. Okay, this time we actually got the system settings window to open much quicker, I might add too. See how long it takes our browser to open. System, let's see if we can. All right, so we've got the AMD A9, 5 compute cores, 2.8 gigahertz. It's got 4 gigs of RAM. Let's see if I can get this glare to go away. Oh man. How about fuck off? Let's do that. I mean, it loaded, it opened. That's new. So yeah, we've got a. Oh shit. Our fucking brightness and volume isn't working though. Okay, that's volume. Brightness isn't working. I don't think this is gonna go very well, but let's give it a shot. I really wanted to download Brave instead, but what the hell. Yeah, I'm still gonna try while we're doing this. This could. Oh, I mean, it loaded the webpage quicker than friggin' I was expecting. So there's that. Very clunky though so far in terms of performance. Again, I'm not using the most incredible device. Maybe we'll try it on my touchscreen PC. I mean, I don't know how much better that would be. Ay. I don't know. I might have to go try my touch screen all-in-one or something, see if it runs a little better on there. Okay, let's see if the Zorin boot menu will just read this USB right out of the box. I mean, I guess I could just, oh, well, we'll see. I think it should. Oh, nope. Okay, E. Oh, nope. We're gonna just do this, and then we're gonna do this. There, oh, there we go. All right. Wait, there we go. Ubuntu, Windows Boot Manager, this boy. Okay, I guess we'll have to go and disable secure boot for this too. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay. What? Failed to. Let's see, what did that say? EFI not. Oh, had to do legacy boot. Oh, this is Windows. I think. I hope not. It shouldn't be. I don't know why it would be. I'm still reading the. Fucking finally. Jesus Christ. That was much quicker, much better. Yes, we will connect to a network. Don't worry. Oh, okay. Real quick, just for schnitz and giggles. Let's see how quickly these things load. Oh, does my touchscreen still work? Oh yeah, it totally does. Nice. Okay, so 4th Gen i3, 8 gigs of RAM. Yeah, that's probably what part of my problem was. Let's go here. Let's get ourselves Brave, because I can't stand using oh fuck, guest. Oh fuck, root. God damn it. For the first time ever, just hitting enter actually worked. Since it's installing though, I'm gonna fucking just bite the bullet. We're gonna open Microsoft Edge. Oh yeah, still got percentage 92 updates. No, eat my dick. I don't want to see this bullshit again. This probably isn't gonna be working as good as it can because this process going on. No, I don't. Fuck you. How about eat my balls? Alright, is this gonna load any faster? Much faster. Okay, let's see if our boy loads up again. So, this still loading. Okay, Thunderbird Mail. What if I don't want that? 1.5 gigs. A couple Microsoft things in there. I don't know how I feel about that. On the subject of ditching OSs.
We're looking for adults 45 and under to be in our HPV vaccination ad.
Babe, that's like you.
Not me.
Some say the Power Macintosh is a completely dead platform. Some say the Power Macintosh is a completely dead platform.
It's
You're
moving
either
pretty
stuck
good
with a
still,
decades-old
even while this
version of
download's
Mac
moving.
OS, or struggling to run
Probably
some
work even
semblance
better
of Linux.
on
You
Brave.
know, the fun kind of struggling. Well, today we're installing
I wonder if this would
MorphOS,
work
a modern
with
alternative
Zoom
operating system that
and
treats
allow
the
you to
Power
use the virtual
Macintosh
background
as a
feature,
first-class
since it's
citizen.
technically
So stay tuned.
Windows, sort of. It's playing 4K pretty good though. Oh, that wasn't 4K. This is now 4K.
And if you enjoy going
It's
to
not playing
great
very good anymore. Ah, shit, wrong thing. How do I go back to not this one? There we go.
lengths to keep using your very old
Yeah, 4K, still not very good. But again, this is Microsoft Edge. What happened?
computers, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. MorphOS is an
What
interesting
happened?
project with kind of a wild history. For all
Where did
intents
my Brave go?
and purposes, it's a continuation of the Amiga OS. Without context, it seems kind of crazy. But if we go back to the late 90s, it makes more sense. In the dark days after the demise of Commodore,
It's probably this video I'm playing, huh? If we go back to regular HD, it should play though, right?
the Amiga platform was left in limbo, but third parties kept the platform alive with accelerators. So in 1999, along came MorphOS, which was released as a next-generation operating system for PowerPC accelerated Amigas. But accelerating a platform from the early 90s can only take one so far. So to keep the Amiga platform alive, a new PowerPC computer had to be targeted. Something more recent. And thus, MorphOS.
If I pause this, will it continue? Okay, text editor, Thunderbird mail, edit text files. So this is everything that's preloaded already on here. I thought I'd seen a couple Microsoft things, but I guess I'm tripping. I don't like that this isn't continuing its install.
This doesn't just modernize old PowerPC Macs, it transforms them into up-to-date
Okay.
Amigas, which is wild.
Dolphin.
So today we're going to
Let's see if
install
we
the
can,
latest version of
push this
MorphOS
along
onto two of my all-time
by
favorite Macs. My
Games
upgraded
Hub?
iMac G5
Steam.
iSight, and I have this beautiful, completely stock
There we
G4
go.
Cube to see how it runs on something
Maybe,
a bit more
maybe not.
constrained.
Maybe not.
Right
There
after
we
this
go.
quick word about today's sponsor, PCBWay.
Way. Okay. Okay. Holy shit. Is it done now? What's going on here? Oh, did it just cancel it? Can we use it? Install. 0 ratings. Fuck. Okay, Firefox. How about let's try Firefox. %0 on our Steam install. I don't like how long this is taking. But in terms of like usability, if you had a PC, I mean, this isn't the greatest computer either. I mean, it's just better than what I was trying to use earlier. Okay, it's moving better now. Let me close this shit out. Or are we just gonna edge ourselves at 75% though? Is the question. Just for shits and giggles, let's go through. It didn't, by the way, nothing I've tried to install is finished doing it. I'm gonna go through this process, see what it looks like. I already have 2 OSs partitioned onto this PC, so I don't know that I'm actually gonna install. Oh, ha! It's gonna give me current. Oh, replace a partition. I do like how Zorin, or I do like how, yeah, Zorin works. Install alongside. Well, Linux Mint, we could probably shrink after. We'll try and make it as even as possible. Hey, what the hell? We'll have a 3 operating system hard drive. Why the hell not? Win Dixie. Win Dixie. No E. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. 1 more. Yeah. Good. Yes. Very secure. Alright. We're gonna run it. I got hard drives with less space than just one of these partitions running full PCs. What the hell? Why not? This might take a while. Oh, that took fucking forever. I went, took a shower, smelled my girl's butt. Right, babe? And then, still only at 6.7, 7.5. Alright, it's moving quicker. So far, though, I will say 3 for 3 on the Linux distros working out of the box with the touchscreen. And I was considering one day maybe upgrading the processor of this. And then I was looking at the processor model number. I saw that it ended in T. I wonder, does that mean touchscreen? Meaning if I was going to upgrade it, but I need to make sure that that processor ends in the letter T. I'll have to look that up. No, the T stands for the power consumption. So, yeah, this uses a maximum of 35 watts. We are all installed. So, we're gonna let it do its restarty thingamabob. And it's gonna tell me to take my stick out, don't mind my gut. It's not here. All right, we'll go up here, look at this. This is an artist rendition of me and mommy. Okay, take my stick, press enter. Here, look at that, so that's probably better. Holy shit, wait, why? Why did it not do it? I wonder if I have to do this. Boot menu. Okay. I think I gotta do this. There it is. So that's a little annoying, I guess, but I have to go to the legacy boot menu to access Linux. I probably could change that by making legacy in the BIOS the primary boot option instead of going directly to UEFI. It would automatically go towards legacy instead, which would give me that boot menu we just saw first before automatically going to Zorin. I don't think that I'll be using this more than I would use Zorin, but if I was, that would be the step necessary to take, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Nifty little logo, huh? Well, look, when you're all installed, they even try and get you to buy their professional version, just like the regular Windows would. But yeah, everything works. Touchscreen works. sound works, all of it works. This is our terminal right here. I think, oh no, that's our start menu. This is our terminal here. And then if you needed to download any apps, this is where you would do it. You could actually argue that this is easier than going to like the Microsoft Store. And I only say that because I've never used the Microsoft Store. I've only ever downloaded shit from the browser on the internet. So I say it's pretty intuitive though. If you're looking at this, is this something that somebody who's only ever used Windows could come over to as their first taste of Linux and be able to use it basically right out of the box without too much know-how, or even having to open the terminal once? Well, I guess I've done it. So yeah, the answer is yes. Pretty easy to get to your software. You don't even have to think about it when it comes to like these updates. It'll tell you when it's supposed to. I'm just gonna update all of them, but there's some Microsoft like capabilities, right? Like I think that this might come directly with Microsoft application like support. If not, it's probably pretty simple to get. But yeah, I would say that even just looking at this, right, you can't really tell unless you look at this thing. I want to know, is this actual, okay, run command? That's not Copilot, so you don't have to worry about that shit either. But yeah, out of the box, I mean, it runs pretty much as you'd expect like Windows to run. Now when you get to the part where you start wanting to download shit like Roblox or other weird stuff like that, you probably have to download something like Wine, or what's the other one? It starts with an S I can't quite think of right now. It fucking escapes my mind. I don't know. But that, God, I hate Microsoft Edge. No, I already said no. And no. I don't know why I opened this. Let's get her. Browser cooking. Still looking. Okay. Yep. Are you sure? Okay, our very secure password. Anyways, yeah. If you're looking for something that's pretty right out of the box usable, something that looks familiar, right, then this might be for you. And hell, you can get a kick out of the idea that I've now got 3 operating systems on this freaking thing, and probably not even going to stop there. It's probably going to be more by the time it's all said and done. I'll probably have to change the hard drive and add a few more on then too. I don't know. I'm just playing. But anyways, let me know what you think. Have you used Windows Linux before? If so, did you like it? Did you hate it? Do you hate me? If so, tell me to go fuck myself. It's all good. Anyways, talk to you soon.